Hi student, this is T. Ravikumar. Now I am explaining the world during the World Wars, Part 2. US also joined into the war on behalf of Allied countries when German troops sunk its commercial ship Lusitania in 1917. Thus Allied powers became victorious in the war. The world after the First World War, the Treaty of Versailles in 1990. After the First World War, many discussions and treaties were done. Britain and its three allies imposed terms and conditions of the treaty on the defeated powers. After the First World War, the German Empire was broken up and replaced by Democratic Republic. Ottoman Empire was replaced by the Republic of Turkey and its colonies. A large number of countries were formed like Austria, Hungary, Yugoslavia, Czechoslovakia, Estonia, Latvia, and Finland. The Treaty of Versailles imposed heavy penalty on Germany. Germany had to pay war compensation to the victorious. Germany lost a lot of its territory to France and other countries. Germany had a rich coal resources in Alsace and Lorraine. After the Treaty of Versailles, it transported to France. The League of Nations 1920. The League of Nations was the first ever international organization. Treaty of Versailles. It was established on 11th January 1920. It had about 58 members. It had limited success. USA was not a member of the League of Nations. It had failed to prevent the Second World War. Date of the Russian Revolution. Russia followed the Julian calendar until 1st February 1918. The country changed to the Gregorian calendar, which is followed everywhere today. The Gregorian dates are 13 days ahead of the Julian dates. So, by our calendar, the February Revolution took place on 12th March and the October Revolution took place on 7th November. The Russian Socialist Revolution 1917-1922. Russia was ruled by Tsar emperors in early 20th century. Russia spread over two continents, Europe and Asia. Therefore, it had been called Europe and Asia power. Russia had the third largest population in the world. The world. Russia has spread in two continents. That's why it is called Eurasia. Russia population 156 million after China and India. The livelihood of most Russians came from agriculture. Often there were struggles between peasants and feudal lords for control over land. Most peasants paid rent for the land they tilled. Tsar Nicholas II ruled over his vast Russian empire with the help of the army and bureaucracy. Russian economy had suffered a lot by the First World War. Russian army was the largest in the world before First World War by 1917. Russia had lost the lives of 2 million soldiers and civilians in the First World War. It became the biggest losser of human lives in World War I. There was an internal war in Russia during the First World War. The large amount of food was supplied to the war. This led to the shortage of food in the cities. On March 8, 1917, around 10,000 women of the capital, St. Petersburg, took out a proclamation demanding peace and bread. Workers also joined them in this protest. Tsar Nicholas II was really upset by these protests. He ordered the army to suppress the demonstrators. Soldiers also joined the demonstrators. In just 2 days, the situation became so bad, Tsar left his throne and escaped. Russia made a provisional government. This was the first revolution of 1917 and it was called as the March Revolution. A bigger revolution took place later in October 1917. It was not a spontaneous. Common people were tired of the military action and economic shortage. They did not want the war. They are organizing themselves in councils, which were called Soviets. These Soviets of soldiers, industrial workers, and people in rural areas were united by a group of Russian Communist Party called Bolsheviks. These groups represented the common people's power. Vladimir Lenin was the leader of the Bolshevik. Bolshevik demanded that all the land should be nationalized and redistributed to the peasants. Bolshevik wanted control over the prices and nationalization of all factories and banks. Finally, Tsar agreed to join the USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, was set up by the Soviet government of Russia.